I've heard said that worry, fear, agitation has stopped more good people from doing good things than most anything else in history. Do you agree? Well, maybe, maybe not. But the most successful people have overcome this adversity. Okay, they've overcome this distraction, because a distraction is simply just adversity. And in fact, those most successful people turn that adversity into an opportunity with equal or greater benefit. So what they did was they trained their mind to feel the worry, and there's a book, Feel the Fear and Do It Anyway. They feel that same worry in the primitive brain, but it doesn't overcome their consciousness, and it doesn't distract them from what's really important. And that's what we want to do. So go ahead and put in your email address. I keep that strictly confidential. It's only for me, and for me to send you your submissions. And this time we're working on worry. Put in your name, but use an alias if you don't want anybody to see your name. Now, the 2-day challenge you're reporting on is everyone has worries every day, all day long. The most successful are distracted by them. But identify that worry impulse. When, where, kind of what happened, and name it. I was worried about, or I was fearful of. Then think about when you first got that impulse in your primitive brain, how bad was it? Your primitive brain usually makes you think things are so bad, but really they aren't. And then re-rate based on your logical brain. Really, how bad is it? Seriously? Compared to everything else that could happen to you? And then do that. Rate it and compare it to how bad it is compared to the worst thing that could ever happen to you in your life. And that one's always an aha. Ooh, right? Then immediately, don't dwell on how bad it is, okay, compared to everything else, but start looking for, where could I find an equal or better benefit? And once you've reported, then come down to this area, and remember, don't let your worry, your fear, your aversion, don't start naming them. Don't let them become part of you. They're just thoughts. They are not you. They're just thoughts. Then look at the 3-step benefit process of, think of a time when you were worried and it ruined your day, week, month. Then what could you do differently in the future? And what would be the benefit of doing that? And then you do this for 2 reasons. One is so you can let go of the past. You can't change it. Let it go. And 2, you can go forward knowing that you have this tool that can help you when you start to feel worried. And let it go. And focus on what's most important. And if you would please, go ahead and submit those. And those are for you, not for me. Right? And then, what are 1 or 2 ideas that help you felt valuable about this worry process? And I appreciate those, because now I can improve on it with what is helpful for you. In the next session, and the final session, we're going to focus on doubt. We put doubt last because if you have doubt, it's almost impossible to overcome the above 4. So that's why doubt, we need to make sure we have a control over our doubt. So in conclusion, in this time, we talked about worry. What is worry and how it can be that inner distraction, distract us from what's most important. We talked about reporting our worry and being able to learn a process to let it go and look for our equal or better opportunity. And we talked about the 3-step process that we can use to let go of the past and reinforce and fortify our ability to go forward and solve those problems and not let worry get in our way in the future. So, control that worry. Free your future.